All right, so this is kind of a different video. I just want to do a quick update. I actually had another video that I planned to edit and do all that, and I was in the middle of this project and I just didn't have the energy to finish it for this weekend. So I wanted to do a quick update video and kind of show you what's happening in the RV. As you can see, the old furniture is gone. I've got some stuff hanging up here. I'm trying to figure out which curtains we want to go with, and we're going to be taking these valances out, be mounting 2 more speakers back there. So I'm kind of in the middle of all this. I'm worn out and tired. So not my normal video, but I just wanted to show you what's happening here. I've got I'm getting a 4 reclining basically sofa. It's all modular. Kind of excited about this. I'm going to do another video specifically on that, and that little guy there too. That is cool, and I'll show you why in another video. But anyway, this is just kind of where I'm at. This is the challenge I'm dealing with. I've got some bolts sticking up through the floor. I got to get that all set up just right. A few other things I'm dealing with, but overall I'm pleased with the direction it's going. The 4th seat just came in, so I got to install that. So anyway, things are coming along. One challenge I do have that's going to be a pain is the wiring for all the speakers. So I'm going to have 5 wires going back across here. And I honestly can't figure out how to route them other than underneath the carpet that goes across here. And the reason is this slide, it has wiring. Okay, we've got lights here. They're 12-volt lights, and it's okay, but the problem is if I run wires out to the slide, the only place that'll allow it to go in is already pinching the relatively small wires of the 12-volt wiring. So I can't really run it underneath the coach to come up through the slide and have it work and not have it be pinched off and essentially destroy the speaker wire. So that's another issue. I'm also looking at these curtains. These are basically what I'm going to go with, one of these 2, and I think it's going to be this one, partially because it comes in sizes that make sense. This one only comes in a longer size, so that's not probably going to work out. But anyway, that's the way it's going to work. I'm probably going to have another, arm installed, so they have these little brakes. I only have so much room in this thing, so if I install one more recliner there, the sofa is going to be a little bit short. So I'm probably going to make the last one my workstation and have an armrest for me, so I have armrests on both sides, and then that way if we have someone that wants to crash on the sofa, it may not be the most comfortable thing as far as sleeping on, but at least they'd have 3 seats across to do that. So that's just kind of what I'm thinking. But anyway, that's where I'm at now. I'm just in the middle of projects. I really meant to get that other video out and done. It's probably just going to be pushed to next weekend. But that's just kind of where I'm at. It's coming along. I'm pleased with it. I took a recent trip and I left the speakers up just to see how it would handle it, and did quite well, honestly. I went over some really, really rough interstate. I mean, some of the stuff I thought, gosh, do I have a flat tire or something? And it did well. I'm pleased with it. So nothing fell down. I'm impressed. I figured I would have that issue, and I didn't. So, but anyway, that's where I'm at. I'm looking forward to showing you the finished final product on all this. I still have stuff to do on the center channel, or the entertainment center portion of it, and all that. So anyway, that's just where I'm at. Sorry I didn't get out my regular video, but I thought I'd show you where I'm at now. To me, this is exciting because I can finally mount the actual surrounds back in there. So I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks.
This is better though.
Yes. Hey, love bug.
Okay.